Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook URL link. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Facebook. So after logging into your Facebook, you want to go to this top corner right here that says account. All right. Then you want to switch to the Facebook page. You want to change the URL. Okay. All right. There we go. So once you switch to the Facebook page, you want to change the URL. Then the next thing you need to do is go to this profile picture again. Then you want to go to settings and privacy. Okay. You want to click on settings again. Alright, and here we are in our settings. So the next thing you want to do is click on search settings right here and just search for username. Okay. So once you search for username, you want to click on this first that says name. Then you click on view. Alright, so we have our username right here. So our username is the same thing as URL. So to change our URL, you just want to click edit and then input the username or the URL you'd like to use. So I'm going to say we have a username is available, then you save changes. Alright, then you input your password. So once you input your password, you submit. So as you can see, our username has been changed to capwhiskey2982. So this is the easiest way and straightforward way to change your Facebook URL. If you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.